Hi, let's switch weapons. Um, let's go into our inputs. This might be a longer video. Let's go to game structure. Let's go to inputs. Let's control D on a standard one that is, you know, it's not axis 2D vector. 2D doesn't need to be 2D vector. It can just be a normal one. Let's call it switch weapons. Control S. Input mapping context plus switch weapons. I want it to be Q. Player character, and just so you know, this is sort of what it looks like here. This is move, this is look, this is sprint and jump, this is crouch, this is our event begin play, this is our fire, our effects, this is our reload. We're gonna do switch weapons now. Input action, switch weapon. Excuse me. When I press Q, I want to play an animation. You can do that by play animation. Player character mesh. That's what we're using. We're not using the mesh, if you remember. Player character mesh. See what they have an animation for it. Equip pistol standing. Let's see. I want to see what I have equipped already. So first we'll start out by saying let's just switch. I want to equip the pistol. I want to get the assault rifle. I want to say set actor hidden in game true. Then I want to see if I have a pistol. I want to say, do I have a pistol? Is the pistol just invisible or is it not spawned? Do I have a pistol? Is valid. I have nothing to ask it for. So we should spawn a pistol. Let's spawn another pistol. Let's spawn another weapon. We need a pistol. Let's go to weapons. Let's create an actor. Let's create an actor. Let's call it pistol. Control S. Let's make sure we have a pistol. Weapons. Uh, Here is pistols B. Okay. Let's go to. I think they're all skeletal meshes. We can go to skeletal. Let's call it pistol mesh. Type in pistols B. There it is. Compile that. Save that. Let's close some stuff. We don't need the mesh open. We don't need the assault rifle. We need the assault rifle mesh. We don't need the assault rifle material. We don't need our new material. We don't need our context anymore. We already got switch weapons in there. We got our player character. We don't need our ammo counter anymore. We don't need the assault rifle B right now. We did the reload, so we have player character and pistol. So we want to spawn this pistol. We just want a reference for it. So let's type this in, type pistol. Oops, I spelled it incorrectly. Pistol. Spawn transform. We can spawn it in an actor pool. You can right click this, promote the variable, call it actor. Well, this is somewhere where actors go out of sight. Compile it. You can set it to location of 50, 000, 50,000. Set it 50,000 across the board. Collision, just always spot ignore collisions. I'm trying to reference to it. pistol reference. We don't need to attach anything, it's just going over to the actor pool. We have, when we say switch weapons, we have a rifle, right? So we want to equip pistol. We set the assault rifle hidden. We get the pistol reference. Is it valid? So if it's valid, we want to attach it to our hands finally. We can do that up here. We haven't done it anywhere else. Attach actor to component. Target is the pistol. The parent is our mesh. So we don't know what. Or when we created the slot for the gun to go in, we positioned the gun. The pistol might be aligned differently. Let's check. Layer character, mesh. Go back into our mesh. Go back into our, we have a weapon socket. Let's add a pistol. Pistol. It's lined up. Let's test to see. Idle pistol. Okay, so it's lined up appropriately. It's good. It's out of the same pack. Okay, so we can use the same. We can use weapon socket again. Let's F2 and Control C that. Socket name is weapon socket. Snap to target. Oops. Snap to target. Snap to target. Keep world. If it's not valid, we should be spawning it now. Spawn actor from class. Pistol. Actor transform. I want to get the mesh. I want to get socket transform. Socket transform is called weapon socket. We have the assault rifle socket here. It's the same thing. We can use the same. We can call this weapon socket now. Weapon socket underscore name, since we're using it for both. Always spawn or collisions. And we want this again down here. And this is the same thing. If you look here, this will plug in right here again. And you can use it here. Because it's the same exact thing. Pistol object reference. Piston, this is a constructed object reference. This is a constructed object return value of the pistol type. Pistol class, right? So because it's specifically the pistol, you can save it specifically into this pistol reference again. So here we'll switch weapons. Off the bat, off begin play, we create it so that it's alive in the world. It's valid. That helps us get so we up to this point. When we do this, we play an animation that says switch to pistol. The pistol will equip animation. We set the assault rifle invisible. We check, is this alive in the world? Can we act on this pistol? If it is, which it probably will be because we haven't deleted it yet, there might be some code, some script later where we delete it or something. In which case, if we did this, it would just spawn it again and put it back into our hands. But for this first take, it's going to be valid. We just need to attach it to our hands. So let's see what happens now. Let's see what happens at this point. Yeah, we're dropping in. So I play the animation, and there's the pistol. That's kind of cool. When I press Q again, I don't switch back into the assault rifle. So we want to see, what do we have equipped? I want to... Maybe a flip-flop would be good. Flip-flop. First time we do it, we switch to the pistol. The second time we do it, we want to get the same thing here. Let's move this up a little bit. So every time we do this, it'll alternate between A and B. It starts with A. When you activate it the first time, it goes A. So the second time we press it, we'll say uh, equip rifle. I want a assault rifle to be not hidden. Now we need this again because now we have the pistol. I want the pistol to be hidden. So this note is set actor hidden in game. We want the pistol to be hidden. And let's try that. I've got... Oh, maybe it's B first. I apologize. We got some complications. Okay, let's try to go back. Let's press. Let's call it do once. We'll say do once. We'll say delay. I'll call it a 1.5 second delay between switching. For all of them, and then that will reset the do once. There's the pistol. Doesn't want to switch back into the rifle for me. Here's the pistol. Oh yeah, okay. I want to play. It has it coming out. Has it coming out of the hip. Like sort of how this one comes. So I can't really see it. So what does it do actually visually for us? To play these. So you can do it this way with the animation. I just don't know how much that's really necessary. 'Cause it's basically at our hip. I wanna play. There's other ways to do this. I just kind of wanted to mock this up. Um, Namespace iron sights maybe. Let's try this because it's what we're using. This might make us freak out a little bit. Yeah, he's kind of moving around. Let's see what do we have that. I know how to do this another way. Fire rifle iron sights. Let's rig this up for right now. Um, there we go. Okay, there's that. Let's see how it kind of bounces. Okay, so now, oh, and then up here, we never say to set the pistol visible. So we want this pistol reference, and we want the pistol to be visible. Let me switch to the pistol. Excuse me. I actually want this to be after this. If it's valid, set it. Not hidden. Not hidden. Delay. Both ends come out of this. And circle back to the do once. Okay. Press. Switch the pistol. Press again. Switches to assault rifle. Press again. Switches the pistol. Press again. Switches to assault rifle. Alright. Okay, so we got some mock-up of this going. Um, and the pistol's from the same pack, and it uses. I'm sure it must use muzzle flash as well, because it's responding to firing. Although I think the firing is actually coming off of. We only set the assault rifle invisible, so we don't have any checks to say, is the pistol equipped? Don't fire from the assault rifle. So when you see this muzzle flash here, that's not from the pistol, that's from the invisible assault rifle. So that's just a little insight into that. I want to be able to see, let's make sure this, there's our ammo, okay. Right, so whenever we fire, it still decrements. We reload, and it goes back into our standard pose. We don't have an after reloading animation. Things are getting a little more complicated here, but it's really not that bad. That's the reloading animation. So, okay, so we got a basic switch weapon in here. We'll work on this more. Thanks.